Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install unknown apps on your Android phone. So let's get started. So by default, your Android phone may only be able to install apps from the Play Store or the Galaxy Store. However, you may be wanting to install another third-party app through a browser or another site. How can you do that? Well, in order to do that, first thing is you need to allow your phone to do that. So in order to enable this feature, you need to go to your setting. And from your setting here, you're going to scroll down to find security and privacy. And under security and privacy, you're going to go down a little bit for more, where it says more security settings. And in the more security settings, if you go down a little bit further here, it's going to give you the option to install unknown apps. So you're going to tap on it. And right here, it says it by default, for the apps from the Play Store and the Galaxy Store are approved to be installed. So if you're looking to install a third-party app from another of these like app, for example, from the internet using Google Chrome, you want to turn this setting on. Maybe you're installing an app like Epic Games, you want to turn that on. And you're going to look for ones that apply to you that will make sense. Maybe you're using the Samsung browser on a Samsung phone, so you want to enable that as well. Maybe you're installing it from WhatsApp, you'll install that. So whatever applies to you, you need to go ahead and turn it on. Sometimes once you install the app, it might appear over here. So you're going to come back here to install it, just like Epic Games appeared for me when I was trying to install a game. So look over here, and if you're getting blocked, just make sure that you come over here in this setting and turn it on. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.